A teenage boy has died in a drowning incident after getting into difficulty in Lough Ree in County Westmeath. The tragic incident took place off Carnakilla Point, Glasson, at around 7:30 p.m. yesterday. He's been named locally as 15-year-old Martin Greene from Athlone.
News of this drowning on Lough Ree during a glorious summer weekend is still being processed by locals and holidaymakers alike. The area of the lake at Carnakilla Point was busy yesterday with recreational activities. At around 7:30 p.m, a number of teenagers got into difficulty and the alarm was raised. The Sligo Coastguard Helicopter Rescue 118 and the Lough Ree RNLI lifeboat conducted a search, and the body of 15-year-old Martin Greene was recovered a short time later.
You know, my own child spent a couple of hours yesterday over in Banagher, and I gave her the whole water safety talk before she left, and you know, so it's always a concern when teenagers are out in the water. Yeah.
Well, when I heard the noise of the helicopter, you always wonder has there been an accident in the area. But later our daughter texted to say that there had been a tragedy here in this beautiful area, Portlick.
It's a gorgeous area, beautiful evening. The water was like glass, so calm. But these things happen when the weather is good, and terrible tragedy for the area.
Tributes have flowed all day on social media, including one from his mother Yvonne, who expressed heartache at the loss of her darling boy. St Francis FC Athlone described Martin as a polite and lovely boy who was Coach's Player of the Year this season. In a statement, the RNLI has urged families to talk about the dangers of swimming and jumping into open water as the hot weather continues. They say this is a conversation that could save lives. Teresa Mannion, RTE News, Portlick, County Westmeath.